It's your boy, God, get back in the video. And today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video, and I'm so sorry for the lack of videos lately. Like, I know I say this like in every video, but I'm kind of mad at myself right now, because I could be uploading every day, but I choose not to, which that's a really bad idea. I should have shut my TV off. That was a really bad idea, so, I'm going to show you guys my new fidget spinner. Yeah, so here you go. Basically, but it sucks absolutely crap. It's a two-bearing one. So yeah, let's get up the video there, and other than that, it's your boy God Kid. See ya.